Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with some of the best tips and tricks. Let's dive into our first tip. Something new that Samsung added to One UI 4 is the option to change the colour of your icons based on your phone's wallpaper. This will allow you to personalise your phone a lot more than previously. To do this, all you need to do is press and hold somewhere on the home screen, then tap Wallpapers and Style, go to Colour Palette and select which colours you want. You can also apply this to Samsung's app icons too. Now, let's have a look how you can change the motion and gestures of your device. If you head into your settings, then scroll down to Advanced Features, then go to Motion and Gestures. In here, there are so many different gestures that you can turn on or off, which will change the way you use your phone. For example, if you turn on the palm swipe to capture gesture, all you have to do is use your palm and swipe it over the screen to take a screenshot. Another one of my favourites from within the motion and gesture settings is the mute with gestures. When you have an incoming call or your alarm is going off, you can simply mute your phone by placing your phone face down or just placing your hand over the screen. This is perfect for those early morning alarms. Sometimes when notifications are piling up, we end up swiping one away by accident. This can be very annoying. Though, we've got a simple tip which will help you. If you go into Settings, then go to Notifications, then go to Advanced Settings, then you can go to Notification History and you can tap this on. With this switched on, you can easily see notifications that have come through that you may have accidentally swiped away. This means there's no excuses for not replying. Now let's move on to one of the best changes of the S22 Ultra, the S Pen, which we can only presume means there will be no Note series this year. First and foremost, when needing to take a picture, simply press and hold the button on the side of the S Pen. This will open your camera app. Then, to take a picture, simply press the button in once. And then if you want to flip round to take a selfie, just double click the button. Then, to flip the camera back round, just double click again. To switch between different camera modes, hold down the button and then swipe left or right, depending on which mode you want. The same applies for when you're flicking through your media. Simply swipe left or right to show your photos in a room full of people. I really like this S Pen as I'm not much of a note taker, however I could see using this as an external remote for the camera many times. It will definitely make getting those group shots that little bit easier. Let us know in the comment section if you would like us to create a video for the best S Pen apps for the S22 Ultra. Now, if you consider yourself a bit of a vlogger, the auto framing feature is going to be your best friend. With the camera specs of the S22 Ultra being so high, it really does have the ability to compare to some DSLR cameras on the market. So why wouldn't you use this pocket-sized camera to film your daily adventures? In order to get perfect frame selfie shots, open up your camera and then go to Video and tap on this icon. With this on, the phone will now follow you when you move. This will allow you to vlog with ease. Staying within the camera settings, another useful feature is the director's view. Though you most likely won't be using this on a day-to-day basis, it is still good in certain situations such as live music events. If you swipe over to More whilst in the camera and then choose Director's View, you'll be able to switch between each camera live. You'll be able to get a close, mid-shot and wide all at once, changing the way you film gigs forever. As the S22 Ultra has a large 6.8-inch screen, you can make the most of it by having two windows open at the same time. To do this, simply open up your multitasking window, then tap the icon at the top and then tap Open in split screen view. Then it will give you a list of your most recent apps that you can choose which one to split screen with. Please note that not all apps will allow you to do this. However, in my experience, you're mainly going to want to do this with YouTube while also browsing the web. Up next, we have another trick that is brought to us by the S Pen. It's those who prefer writing over texting. To do this, go to your settings, then go to Advanced Settings, go to S Pen, then turn on S Pen to text. By doing this, you can now write using your S Pen instead of typing in a search bar. Not only is it a feature that can be used for browsing the web, but it can also be used for texting. Our penultimate tip today is something I personally find very useful. Go to Settings, then go to Display, then go to Full Screen Apps, then go to Camera Cutout in the bottom right corner. Here you'll be able to select certain apps that you want to hide the camera cutout on. For example, if you click on YouTube, then go to Hide Camera Cutout, you'll now be able to watch content undisturbed by the camera cutout. I think this is best for media apps in my opinion. Last and certainly not least is a way to avoid reading out unbearably long Wi-Fi passwords, or just keeping your passwords a little bit more private. Go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi Settings, then click on the settings of your Wi-Fi connection, and then in the bottom left-hand corner you've got a QR code. Just tap this and you'll be able to share your Wi-Fi connection with friends and family quickly and easily. No more reading out those default long passwords. That's all the tips and tricks we have for you today. Let us know in the comments below if we've missed one out. If you're looking for a case or any other accessories for your S22 Ultra, take a look at our website, which is linked in the description below. And of course, if you'd like to see more content like today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.